We continue to keep tabs on the severe weather that is popping left and right through now the UP of Michigan, back through portions of Wisconsin, Minnesota, and even Nebraska. Seeing a lot of severe storms fire up along a frontal boundary, even at this late hour. Thank you for joining us here at Storm Watch. I'm Bob Child. Let's take a look at the national map. And it is that frontal boundary, those couple of red L's, the low pressure systems up around the western Great Lakes. Those will be lifting up into Canada, and as they do so, dragging with it this cold front that is a demarcation line between not only warmer, moist air and drier, but cooler air as well. So now we do see a good temperature difference, about 25 degrees on one side of the front, and then behind it by about 100 miles. But along this front, very strong winds, severe weather. Tornado watch box still up for a large part of Wisconsin, pushing into the UP of Michigan. Severe thunderstorm watch box, a new one just now added for Iowa, heading into southern portions of Wisconsin. The tornado warning that had pushed in the UP of Michigan was quickly dismantled. That storm moving across the surface at 55 knots. These storms, some of them have tops of 50,000 feet, 55,000 feet. Very formidable. So in the northern portion, we're worrying about a bit. When I say a bit of a rotation, I mean along the front going up over the low, so we get a bit of divergence in wind directions. Coming down the front, we start getting into the straight line type of problem. Not that the cells are rotating, but they're working in concert, moving, so they have straight line winds of 60, 70 miles an hour. Even wouldn't surprise me to see some greater reports, especially with the lateral speed that these storms are moving across the surface. So, I'm going to start moving in with radars. We're going to look at Minneapolis, St. Paul, and watch everything firing out to the east. We've been talking about it all night because of the counties that have just seen repeated poundings. Has to be Sawyer and Price counties, and the concern is now these almost start to look like they're coalescing into a line as opposed to being individual cells. Not uncommon to see supercells get together and form a bow echo. The bow echoes by their own right are very damaging in and of themselves, and this is not a bowing echo, but this is straight line, and this line right, I tell you right now, putting out some damaging winds coming out of it. We're just now starting to get the severe weather reports, and by tomorrow morning certainly get a better feel for it. But these are all very strong, any number of severe thunderstorm warnings. And again, the big threat from this arrangement is straight line winds, and it sounds like a tornado, no doubt about that. Even in southeastern Nebraska, looking at some storms firing up along that front, and they are tenacious indeed, and all pushing off to the south, starting to spin around. And Paul Emick will be up next and let you know if there's going to be any chance for those tornadoes continuing. They're certainly watching for those, especially as they come off the wires. Had seen some rain earlier in Florida, just to give you a taste of other concerns around the country, but that has died down with the setting of the sun. Still some light rainfall holding on in portions of Florida, the thunderstorms having moved off the shore south of Daytona Beach. But the chance for that convection tomorrow certainly is going to be there. But the best chance for the storms will be continuing all through tonight and be a problem through the upper portions of the Midwest. Let's take a quick look at the tropical update. And for all the news I've been telling you about the Midwest, you'll like to know that while this is a big source of origin from the Gulf of Mexico and heading into the Western Caribbean, that in fact right now it's very quiet. Oh, there's some areas of thunderstorms that we look at, but that's about it. The Caribbean is quiet. The Atlantic is quiet. This is all down in the intertropical convergence zone. Late in the season, we'll see them come off the Cape Verde Islands and get those disturbances up at a 20-degree latitude so that the Coriolis force can take effect and start spinning those areas. But not a problem now, and even the Pacific is quiet. So in terms of tropical update, all is quiet, but not in the contiguous United States. Again, stay tuned for Paul Emick.
If you're concerned